Hello, long guys. Junction. Quick catch up with the viaducts underway. As you can see, the outline, main framework is done. Waiting for the glue to go now. Let's see. I've lifted up the back seam to take the top out, the gap in the top. I'm going to make up the ground at the bottom anyway, so it's like, you know, so the pillars are sort of in a rock face or something. So that's the plan there. I'll wait for the glue to happen before I do any more. So I can't do any more tomorrow. The idea is going to be with that, it's going to be PVA'd now, the whole structure, and polyfiller, the whole structure. Let it dry a couple of days, scratch all stonework out. Yeah, it's going to be a job. Plenty of time. Scratch the stonework out and colour wash it then, so it's like a limestoney colour. And then I'll have to put card then up in the tops, brick card or something to do the underneath of the tops. No problem. Done that. I've done that before on the Scotland's ages ago. Red brick thing I did, similar to this, but it was all in red brick. I'm going to do this one in like stone, so I started to do it. I'll go with this, see what happens. Well, I'll throw it away, can't I? It's all good. So yeah, that's that done. Everything's running now, we'll see. On the old gauge, I've got the pannier going and the iMac. Doing them a run out, so I can match them up against the viaduct. It works out, this viaduct. There's the measurements on there. I go in by the O gauge, it's done to an O gauge sort of size. That's all the arches are, so they're on the big side. But there's the measurements there, it's 65 feet high. The arch width is 30 feet and the pillars are 7 foot wide. So it's all relative, you know. And the actual thing is what? It's about 100 mil deep. Well, whatever that is in Cooper. So yeah, I'll park the coach, the high mech next to it now, and you'll see what I mean about scale. So when the double O go over, if you film the top, it doesn't make any difference. If you know what I mean. I'll stop the train now and you'll see what I'm on about. This is the way I sort of figured it. You know, it's just me, this is what I do, this sort of thing. So I stopped that there. You can see that's totally in keeping there with the arches, the 65 foot coach. Works so great with a 30 foot arch. So, yeah, that's what I was trying to sort of get. So I've had to compromise with the, so what I've done, so it doesn't look a bit too, you know, I've sort of increased the distance here with what you would normally have. The arch would normally go up higher than that on a viaduct. Actually, I've looked at hundreds of them. And I've lowered the arch for the simple reason so I've got a fair gap before the double O gauge train comes across. So when you film it and go like that, it's not, you know, I'll show you now. It looks okay. And this one comes over. Well, it's in my opinion. I mean, you tell me. You have a look at it and tell me. Well, that's the vibe I'm getting there. That's, you know. And that's the vibe I'm getting down there. So there we are, another little... I'll cut that light out, I don't want that light there. I'll cut the light back. I don't light in the viaduct, so... No, I don't think I do. No, I don't. But I gotta put brickwork in the top. So yeah. So there we are, just a quick one showing you the crack. Back seams have been sort of put in up here, extended, up there, and up there. I'd say I've had to lift that one. I did make them so they could be lifted out, so I've lifted that because there would have been a gap at the top. There might still be a little gap at the top. I might have to do something else, or maybe lift it another inch or something. It's not a problem, we'll go. It's just catching on a bracket up here. It's catching on that bracket in there, look. So I have to put a little cut in, and I can lift it up higher again. So it's not, you know, so I've sussed that. Okay, I'll leave it with the trains. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Catch you again.